Ever wondered if your car could know you better than you know yourself? Welcome to the world of AI and personalization in automobiles. Imagine stepping into your car and it automatically adjusts the seat, mirrors, and temperature to your preferred settings. It knows your favorite radio stations, navigates you to frequent destinations, and even suggests a coffee stop when you've been driving for a while. This isn't a scene out of a sci-fi movie. It's the magic of artificial intelligence in our cars today. AI has revolutionized the automotive industry, making cars not just a means of transportation, but a personalized companion on the road. By learning from your driving habits and preferences, AI in cars provides a unique, tailored experience every time you hit the road. From predicting your needs to enhancing your safety, the smart car is here to change the way we drive. But how does this all work? Let's delve into a case study of a car that uses AI for personalization. Imagine a car that adjusts the seat, mirrors, and temperature the moment you step in. Meet the XYZ car, a pioneer in AI personalization. In the heart of the XYZ car is an intelligent system that is designed to make your driving experience as comfortable and personalized as possible. This isn't just about remembering settings, it's about understanding your preferences and tailoring every aspect of the drive to your taste. Picture this. You open the door and the car greets you. The seat automatically adjusts to your preferred position, the mirrors tilt to your favorite angle, and the cabin temperature is set exactly how you like it. Even your favorite music starts playing. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's what the XYZ car does every time you step in. But the magic of the XYZ car doesn't stop there. This intelligent beast learns from you with every drive. It observes your driving habits, learns your routes, and even picks up on your moods. Over time, it adapts and gets more intuitive, making your drives smoother